Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So now we are going to understand NumPy. NumPy is about why do we use it in Python. Okay, so NumPy is a numerical Python, is a powerful library for a numerical computation, right? So whenever we have like a numerical computation, right, we have to use NumPy. That have given a lot of benefit. It's a one kind of library. It provides fast and efficient arrays much faster than the Python list. So Python have some predefined data structures, right, which is having a list, right? So NumPy will give a much faster way to access this kind of data structure kind of element. It could be array element, right, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, it kind of that. So mathematical function to perform operations on arrays, right? Tool for linear algebra, statistics, random numbers and data analysis, right? It is widely used in data science, machine learning and scientific computing. So whenever we have this kind of approach, definitely I will go with the NumPy. And what is the NumPy? It is not a part of Python. It's one library of the Python. It's one library of the Python. If you want to use the NumPy, right, what we have to do? We have to install it first. Okay, then only NumPy will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So let's understand how to install the NumPy in our system. Then we can understand how does it use. Okay. So first of all, you have to open your terminal. With the terminal, we have to check that version of the Python. So first I'm going to use and I'm checking Python -- version. So here I'm getting the system cannot find the path of this particular python.exe, right? That means I have two options here. I mean, it will come with the two different issues. Either Python did not install in my machine or path did not set of the Python, right? Many people that does take Python or that path will automatically set. The person who does not get this automatically, for them I'm telling the steps how to do that and how to check the Python install or not. So these are the two locations where Python does install. Either it does install in the directory C drive program files in Python, right? And second location we have that will store into this location as well, right? Like your users with your users and app data local programs. So for me it is in this location only. So you can see here I am here in this script. Here it is set the Python. So we have to set two things actually here. One, I have to set the location of the Python, and second I have to set the path of script as well. So first let's go with the one by one step. Okay, so what we have to do, if I'm not getting here, if I'm not getting the Python version here, right, that time path did not set. So I will go and copy this one. I have to check that location. Sometime what happened, right, this app data is hidden actually. This app data is hidden, so you have to unhide that, and you can check how to unhide that folders in the window. Okay, but if you will get it, that's fine. If you will not get right, that means that folder is hidden and you have to check how to unhide that app data in window. You will get that. Okay, I'm not going to explain that. You can get it. You can search on Google and you can get it. After that, what we have to do, we have to set that path. So we have to go to this environment variable. So we have to go to the environment variable, and in the environment variable go to this environment variable, and here we have to get path only, right? So click on that path and click on edit, and here we have to click on new. So here we have to paste that particular Python version. Okay, and then okay, and then okay. Now we have to close the terminal and reopen once. So cmd, so I can check here Python space -- version. Let me try to set this Python local path here in this. Yeah, so actually the mistake which I was doing, right, I was not setting the path. I was not setting the path in this local. So we have to set the path in two places. Okay, mainly we have to set the path in this here itself. So we have a path two places, right? One is at here and one is at there. So this path we have to click on edit, and here we have to set actually. So click on that and click on edit. So here I set the Python path. After setting the path here, right, that means your Python path has set and there will not be any issue on it, right? So this time it is giving me Python 3.1.3.5, right? Next we have to check. So what was the issue on my system? That was issue was Python was installed but path was not set. So that way you can set the path and you will get the version of it, right? Next we have to look how to install NumPy. So we have a like this command pip3 install NumPy. Okay, so go click on that and go to the terminal and then just write. Here we are saying the pip3 is not recognized as an internal and external command. So same thing we have to do for pipe as well, right? So what we have to do, we have to set the path for it. So go to there. So in the path will be under the script folder only, right? So in the script I can go till pipe only, right? So let me copy this till script and again I will go to this environment variable. So add it, path, add it. Here we have to set it, right? Click on new and just paste your path here. Okay, okay, and okay. So now let me close the terminal and open once again. So here I can simply write the command. What is the command for that? Pip install. Let me go with this first only, right? Pip install, any command will work. So it is a one library, right? So we have to install it, otherwise it will not work. So it has started downloading that NumPy in my local. It will take some time. Yeah, so now it is installed successfully. You can see here a new release of pipe available 25.1.1. okay, to update run like that. Okay, but it is installed in my system right now. How we can check that is installed successfully or not? So for that again I will go and I will write this code in our PyCharm. If it will work fine, that means it is working fine. So let me go to here and just paste that and see what it is giving me. So this time I have a file. What is the file? numpy.py. So I created a one file and here I am checking that version of it. So let me run this file. So this time it is giving me a version 2.3.2. that means that NumPy has installed successfully, right? So what we did first, we have to install the NumPy, right? So how we did, we have written the command. What was the command? That was a pip install NumPy, right? You may not get installed directly, you may get some error. So what you have to do, you have to set the path for it in environment variable and you should know that where it should be, right? So it should be under the script folder. So you can set the path for pipe, you can set the path for Python as well, right? That both I have explained you, right? Next we are going to understand how to use NumPy and what are the different method of NumPy. As it is a library, right? So what is the use of library that we have to understand? As it is a library, right? What is the use of library? It gives some predefined method. It gives predefined function, right? So that we do not have to write the code for it. We have to directly use them and we can perform some operation on it over there, right? So library is nothing like it's a predefined, it's a combination of it is an combination of predefined functions, right, which will help to perform operation, So what we have to understand with the NumPy, we have to understand what are the predefined function we have and what is the use of them and how we can perform the operation with that all kind of functions, right? So simple NumPy is a library of Python, right? If you want to use it, you have to install it because it does not come by default with the Python setup. That's it. Okay, now let's come to this PyCharm. So we'll understand one by one. Okay, so if, as we know, right, it is used to create the array only. So first example I'm using here. So here I'm using NP. What is NP here? We have to import it, right? So how to import that? Import we can simply write here. We have already written it, right? Yeah. So that, let me remove this. So first we have to import that and then we have to write the code like this one. So import NumPy. NumPy is a library as NP. So here we are just giving a small name of it, right? I mean acronym of it, right? So NP we can use it. So here array is a one function. Array is a one function of NP is what? NumPy, right? So that's why we are using import. So whenever you are using in third party API, right? Whenever you want to use them, that you have to NP, and here we are using v equal to NP dot array, right? So what is one array which is having an element like 1, 2, 3, right? So this array is